Hello friends, I Priyanka Parekh from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School. I am working as a computer teacher. Today we are going to learn in standard 7th computer unit number first introduction to computer, and the topic cover is input devices. So let's start from introduction. A computer is a machine that works according to a list of instructions known as a program. It is an electronic machine that help you process. So computer is a one kind of electronic device. It works on electricity. It works on also IPO system, means input, process, output. A computer system has two main parts which together make it work. First one is hardware and second one is the software. So hardware. What is a hardware? These are the physical units of computer system which you can see and touch. Means that parts of computer you can see it and touch it and feel it. So that all parts called hardware. In that hardware there was a four types of units are there. In a hardware has following four types of units are there. Input devices, output devices, processing device, storage device. From this all, today we are going to learn about input devices. So let's start. Here I put one picture of input device and output device. You can see here some pictures are given of input devices. So what is input device first? Input device means enable you enter data into a computer. Means from these devices you can input the data inside of computer. That's why it's called input device. So let's see here some of input devices name. In textual it's given of your topic which are the input devices given in your textual. See, first one is a keyboard, then mouse, scanner, MICR, digital camera, touch screen, web camera. This all topic of input devices covered in your textbook. Some other is also there. So today I am going to discuss about that also. So let's start from the first one. Keyboard is a commonly input device. Mostly we are using for the typing. And here I put there was a two types of picture of keyboard. And that one two types of keyboard is there. First one you can see there was a chip is given and second one wire is given. So we can use the wire keyboard and wireless keyboard, right? So here two types of keyboard is there. Second one is mouse. It's a commonly input device. It's also called a pointing device because it shows the point on the desktop, right? So also we can call that a pointing device. See here also there was a different kinds of mouse is given: wireless, optical, trackball, mechanical. So in a mouse is also there was a so many types are there. Mostly we are using optical mouse, wireless mouse, right? So now next one is a scanner. This input device scans images from photographs, posters, magazines directly into the computer, and it's always coming in image form. Keep it in your mind. When you scan any image, if from textbook, magazine, any picture is there, textbook page is there, newspaper is there, so it's always coming in image form. Okay, in the first one, see the here, that kind of flatbed scanner. In a flatbed scanner is always coming in a photocopy machine. It's a photocopy machine and it's always coming in an image form. And there was image, there was a two types of extension will be there. There was always coming in a JPEG form, PNG form, but mostly is always coming in a JPEG format only. This flatbed scanner, it has a flat surface made of glass where the item to be scanned placed. It works like photocopy machine. Now see the second one is a handheld scanner. I put here a picture of handheld scanner. See, this scanner is used by dragging it over the object that is to be scanned. So mostly we are using in this for the shopping centers. You also go in that some of malls, big bazaars, and that big malls like Max, DMart, and in that when you buy something and you have to pay the bill, they are going to scan this code, right? They are going to scan this code, and from this code they are getting the price in a computer. So this is called handheld scanner, and they get the price directly in a computer. So it's mostly using in a shopping centers. Now see MICR, a magnetic ink character recognition. This input device is used to read and identify magnetized character printed on the document such as a check. Not only check, but another document also you can recognize it. Okay. So see, here is put one sample of that MICR code. I zoom that code. See here. So like this way character is given on your check, and that will be inserted in like this way from downside, and the cheat you will get, your check will be transferred. So like this magnetic ink character recognition MICR machine will be used for the magnetic character input the device and read and identify that. Okay. Now see the next one, digital camera. Nowadays there was so many craze of the pictures, right? All are taking selfie and TikTok using too much. So this digital camera mostly we are using for the take photographs. So photographer is use this. See this input device is used to take a photograph, and the photographs from the camera can be transferred to the computer with the help of data cable. See here I put one data cable and nearby that memory cards. So this memory card we have to insert in this data cable. Also we can say that a card reader, in this card reader we have to insert the memory card, and from this device we can transfer the data in a computer. Now see the next one, touch screen. Nowadays all are using the touch screen mobile, right? Android mobile, iPhone mobile, and mostly there are keyboard. Keypad is not using. Keypad means there was a switches we had to press. So nowadays what is craze of that? Touch screen. A touch screen is a screen that you can touch with finger to input information. Example of touch screen devices: tablet, touch screen monitor, cell phones means mobile, and ATM. See, this is the touch screen mobile, right? This touch screen monitor is we have to touch this. See, the second one is a ATM. ATM means like this way, automatic teller machine. We have to take out the money in ATM. There was a screen is given, from there we can touch. There was a keypad is also there, but from the screen also we can touch in, and we get the money. Tablet, cell phone. Cell phone means mobile. Now, web camera. A web camera is a video camera connected to a computer that gathers a series of images which can be accessed using to internet. And webcam technology is widely used in a field such as a video conferencing and instant messaging. Nowadays web camera we are using for the video conferencing, and you know all are the video conferencing. There is the 4 and 5 people that together in face to face. It's called video conferencing. There in that the distance was not matter. Distance was not be matter. Now, so another is given extra is not included in your textbook. There is a joystick. Joystick is a one kind of also input devices dear, and we are using for that playing a game. Okay, and this is for the video game we are using this joystick, and there was a different kinds of joysticks are available in the market. Now second one is a microphone. This microphone we are using for the speaking, and also we can record our voice in a computer or laptop with the use of this microphone. Your hands-free is a one kind is also there was input device. Hands-free is also one kind of example of your input device. Now see, the next one is a graphic tablet. This graphic tablet also we can say that drawing tablet. This input device is a board which has a special pen to write on it and connected to a computer. The word or image you draw on the device can be saved in a computer. So with the use of this graphic pen, you can directly draw anything or on the keyboard and it will directly works. This like same way. There was the next second one is the light pen. See, here is the light pen is given. It works in a screen. Okay.